Hey everyone, I'm Brecht. 6 years ago, I started doing this thing called Angular. When I was still in beta phase, I had to reverse engineer the code just to get to know the framework because there weren't any docs. And since then, I've been helping companies around the world doing workshops, doing code reviews, audits, stuff like that. And I've been in more than 50 projects, learned a lot of stuff, met a lot of very interesting people, very competent people with different mindset, different approaches. I've seen what works, what doesn't work, and what I want to do is I want to throw all that experience into a one-day workshop, a roller coaster of best practices, what to do and what not to do with Angular, NX, and side technologies of that. So this is what I want to show you. I'm really excited to do this because you cannot learn experience. You need time for that. And the goal, what I'm trying to do is to throw like these 6 years of experience into a one day roller coaster of best practices.